Imagine a time when the people of Israel were torn between worshiping the one true God and following false idols. The prophet Elijah, deeply concerned for his people's faith, challenged King Ahab and the 450 prophets of Baal to a dramatic test on Mount Carmel. Elijah stood alone against all of them, proposing that each side prepare a sacrifice but not light the fire. They would then call upon their God to send fire from heaven to consume the offering. The true God would reveal himself by answering with fire. The prophets of Baal prayed, shouted, and danced from morning until evening, but no fire appeared. They grew desperate, but still nothing happened. Then Elijah rebuilt the altar of the Lord, carefully arranging the stones and pouring water over the sacrifice 3 times until the entire altar was soaked. He prayed earnestly, and immediately fire from heaven blazed down, consuming the offering, the wood, the stones, and even the water in the trench around the altar. Witnessing this miracle, the people fell to their knees, crying out, "The Lord, He is God." This powerful story teaches us about unwavering faith and the courage to stand for truth, even when facing overwhelming opposition. Elijah's boldness and trust in God remind us that faith can overcome any obstacle and that God's power is unmatched.